Reviewing incorrect answers. Have you ever wondered how to effectively review your incorrect answers while preparing for the law school admission test? This process is especially important in the logical reasoning section, where understanding argument structure is key. Let's break down how to tackle this effectively. First, when you come across a wrong answer, take a moment to identify the argument's premises and conclusion. This means clearly outlining what the argument is trying to prove and what evidence supports it. By understanding the structure, you can see where the reasoning may have gone wrong. Next, analyze the reasoning in the argument. Look for common logical flaws. For instance, some answers might assume that correlation implies causation or generalize from limited evidence. Others might ignore alternative explanations. Many incorrect answers exploit these reasoning errors, either by overstating or misrepresenting the argument's flaws. Now, let's evaluate each incorrect answer choice. Ask yourself why it seemed tempting at first. Often, wrong answers introduce irrelevant information that isn't supported by the argument. They may misstate the argument's conclusion or premises. Sometimes, they identify a flaw that does not actually weaken the argument. It is also common for them to describe only part of the reasoning error or a different kind of flaw altogether. One effective strategy is to keep a wrong answer journal. This journal allows you to log each incorrect answer, note why it was wrong, and track the reasoning patterns that led to your mistake. Over time, this will help you identify recurring errors and adjust your approach. When reviewing wrong answers in the logical reasoning section, here are some practical steps to follow. First, find the exact line or part of the stimulus that the correct answer addresses. This will help anchor your understanding. Then, compare why the correct answer fits the flaw or reasoning gap and why the wrong answers do not. Next, ask yourself whether the supposed flaw in the wrong answer actually weakens the argument. If it does not, that answer is incorrect. Finally, avoid guessing between two answer choices. Instead, rigorously eliminate all incorrect options based on objective reasoning rather than intuition. From a law school perspective, this methodical review of incorrect answers builds skills in argument analysis and critical thinking. These skills are essential for legal study and practice. They train you to dissect complex arguments, identify weaknesses, and construct sound counterarguments. This is fundamental in legal writing, case analysis, and courtroom reasoning. In essence, reviewing incorrect answers involves breaking down the argument structure, pinpointing specific reasoning flaws, and understanding why wrong answers fail. Using tools like a wrong answer journal can help you learn from your mistakes. This approach aligns closely with the analytical skills expected in law school.